Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV battery chargers on Amazon. When you own an RV, you have quite a bit of maintenance to perform. And when you think about maintenance and camping-ready preparations, you'll want to think about your RV's battery. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Noco GENIUS 5 Smart Battery Charger. The Noco GENIUS 5 fully automatic smart battery charger is a great choice for both 6-volt and 12-volt batteries, and you can use it for both your RV's battery and other vehicle or non-vehicle batteries. It's small and compact. It'll work on lead-acid batteries as well as deep-cycle batteries of all kinds, flooded, gel, AM, maintenance-free, and lithium-ion. This battery charger will restore the battery while it works, and it can provide advanced battery maintenance too. With smart, precise charging, it'll allow for worry-free charging at any time. And this battery charger is also backed by a 3-year limited warranty, which gives you reliability and some peace of mind. Number 2. Noco GENIUS 10 Smart Battery Charger. The Noco GENIUS 10 fully automatic smart battery charger is an awesome all-around RV battery charger. Not only is it designed to work with a wide variety of different automotive batteries, but it's also an ideal choice for deep-cycle batteries. This charger can be used for 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid batteries, as well as flooded, gel, AM, maintenance-free, and lithium-ion batteries. It can start a dead battery in just seconds, and it also works to maintain your RV battery while it charges. Smart precision charging relies on an integrated thermal sensor, which detects the ambient temperature and automatically adjusts the charge to prevent over- or undercharging in any climate. This impressive charger can even automatically detect battery sulfation and acid stratification to help restore any lost battery performance. Number 3. Schumacher Smart Battery Charger. With 2 handy functions, the Schumacher SC1280 fully automatic smart battery charger is one convenient RV battery charger, and it packs a punch, too. You don't need to keep an eye on this charger, as it's automated to handle all of the charging on its own. As both a battery charger and maintainer, this device uses 15 amps to charge and 3 amps to maintain your RV battery. It employs auto voltage detection to correctly assess whether you have a 6-volt or 12-volt battery, and it automatically selects the right charging rate. The charger also works on several battery types, including standard, AM, gel, and deep-cycle RV batteries. Built with a digital display that shows the voltage and the charge percentage, LED indicators, and push-button controls, this RV battery charger is also convenient to use. Number 4. TowerTop Smart Battery Charger Maintainer. The TowerTop Smart Battery Charger Maintainer is one versatile RV battery charger. It's particularly handy to own if you want a charger that can work with your RV's battery as well as other batteries, as this charger can work with automotive batteries as well as marine, power sport, lawnmower, and other batteries. It'll charge lead-acid batteries and other varieties, including standard, AM, gel, and sealed lead-acid, as long as they're 12-volt batteries. This RV battery charger is fast when it's at work, with a 7-stage charging program that covers desulfation, reconditioning, and float charging. Just keep in mind that you cannot use this charger on batteries that have under 3 volts remaining, and it won't work to jump batteries. Number 5. BMK12V5A Smart Battery Charger. If you're looking for a great bang for your buck, the BMK12V5A Smart Battery Charger is a great choice. This RV battery charger is both effective and affordable. In fact, it's straight up budget-friendly. The charger will get to work as soon as it's connected, delivering a rapid charge with an input of 100 to 240 volts of AC power and 5 amps of DC output current. It's suitable for charging any RV battery with 15 to 100 Ah. This charger works with 4-stage smart charging, and it automatically stops charging once the battery reaches 100% to prevent overcharging. Lightweight and perfectly portable at a weight of just 15.87 ounces, it's a great road companion to carry along in your RV. This to its 5 amp output. It can charge a 50Ah battery in just over 10 hours, which is impressive. The charger has multiple safety features that protect your battery and your vehicle. These features include overcharge protection, short circuit protection, and overheat protection. The charger is only compatible with 12-volt lead-acid batteries. If you have a different type of battery, you'll need to look for a different charger. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.